Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 65. How do organisms reproduce? In this worksheet we will learn about asexual reproduction. Different types of asexual reproductions are: first one is fission. Fission is of two types, binary or multiple fission. Second is budding. Budding with detachment and without detachment. Third one is regeneration. And fourth one is fragmentation. It is found in Spirogyra or algae. Fifth one is spore formation. This occurs in the rhizopus or fungi. And last one is vegetative propagation. By this process, plants are reproduced. So, different types of asexual reproduction. First one is asexual reproduction is fission. In fission, the process of breakdown of the parent cell into two or many daughter cells. So this process is called fission. Fission means breakdown of a parent cell into two or more than two daughter cells. This process is called fission. It can further be divided into two types. First one is binary fission and second one is multiple fission. What do you mean by binary fission? Binary fission means division of the parent cell into two daughter cells. For example, amoeba. In amoeba, parent cell divided in two daughter cells, or division takes place in this manner. Division of nucleus happens in any plane. And Leishmania, in Leishmania, division of nucleus happens along a fixed plane in respect of their flagella. In the presence of or due to the presence of flagella in Leishmania, division of nucleus happens along the fixed plane. Now you have to give in the diagram of division of or reproduction in amoeba by binary fission as well as reproduction in Leishmania by the binary fission. Now, what is the multiple fission? Division of a parent cell in many daughter cells simultaneously. If the division takes place in which parent cell is divided into more than two or many daughter cells simultaneously, this division is called multiple fission. For example, in malarial parasite, name of malarial parasite is Plasmodium. So in Plasmodium, reproduction takes place by the multiple fission. Unfavorable conditions lead to formation of a cyst around the parent cell which keeps dividing, and when the favorable conditions return, the cyst breaks open to the release all the daughter nuclei. So it's the special features present in the multiple fission or the reproduction type multiple fission. This is the picture of multiple fission or Plasmodium, or diagram of Plasmodium reproduction. Reproduction in Plasmodium is given to you. Now, what do you mean by budding? Budding, the process of formation of an outgrowth on the body of the parent that either detaches or stay attached to the parent organism. Such type of division is called division by budding. In Hydra, the bud detaches from the parent. In case of amoeba, amoeba is a multicellular organism in which division or reproduction takes place by budding, and the bud detaches from the parent and convert into new young ones. Whereas in yeast, the bud remains attached to eventually form a colony of the yeast. In yeast, bud remains attached to the parent organism and eventually forms a colony of the yeast cells. Now, third one is fragmentation. Fragmentation, in this process, the filament of the parent cell of lower organisms like algae. This fragmentation, division by fragmentation take place in algae or Spirogyra is an example of algae, breaks into many fragments, each containing less number of cells, can be one cell too, leading to the formation of many filaments from each fragment. So one fragment can convert into the new new organisms, that is Spirogyra. This type of asexual reproduction of fragmentation take place in Spirogyra, which is an alga. Now think and answer. Now you have to check yourself. How is binary fission in amoeba different from that is plasmodium? So children, in binary fission, what would happen? In binary fission, division of a parent cell in two daughter cells, for example amoeba, while in plasmodium multiple fission take place, division of a parent cell in many daughter cells simultaneously, and example is plasmodium. Question number 2. In question number 2, you have to ask, can a filament of Spirogyra make a whole filament from the one cell? Your answer would be yes. From a single filament of Spirogyra, whole filament from one cell can be developed in Spirogyra. What is the colony of yeast? What do you mean by colony of yeast? So you can write answer. What do you mean by colony of yeast? The process of formation of an outgrowth of the body of the parent that ultimately stay attached to the parent organism in case of yeast and eventually form a colony of yeast. So what would your answer? Your answer would be the process of formation of an outgrowth on the body of the parent that stay attached to the parent organism and eventually form a colony of yeast cell. Your next question is, what is its significance of cyst in plasmodium? What is the formation of cyst in plasmodium? So unfavorable conditions leads to, this is your answer, unfavorable condition leads to formation of a cyst around the parent cell, which keeps dividing, and when the favorable condition return, the cyst breaks open to release all the daughter nuclei. This phenomena is known as cyst formation, and this is the importance of formation of cyst in Plasmodium. Thanks for watching.